Understanding muscle anatomy is essential for beginners embarking on their fitness journey. The basic overview of muscle structure lays the foundation by explaining how muscles are composed of muscle fibers and connective tissue. Different types of muscles, such as skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles, each have unique functions in the body. Knowing the distinctions between these muscle types helps beginners tailor their workouts effectively. Understanding muscle anatomy also enables beginners to prevent injuries and optimize their training for better results. Muscle function is crucial for daily activities, as muscles work in tandem to produce movement. Understanding how muscles contract and relax facilitates comprehension of their role in mobility and stability. Muscles not only enable physical movements, but also contribute to maintaining posture and balance. Common misconceptions about muscle function, like spot reduction or muscle turning into fat, are debunked to provide accurate information to beginners. By grasping the true functions of muscles, beginners can optimize their workouts and achieve their fitness goals effectively. Building muscle involves understanding how muscles grow and adapt in response to exercise and resistance training. The process of muscle growth, known as hypertrophy, requires consistent stimulation through workouts that challenge the muscles. Proper nutrition, including sufficient protein intake and balanced diet, is essential to support muscle growth and repair. Combined with regular exercise, adequate rest and hydration, beginners can effectively build muscle mass. Tips such as incorporating compound exercises, progressive overload, and tracking progress help beginners kickstart their muscle building journey on the right track. Understanding major muscle groups in the body is essential for creating a balanced workout routine. Each muscle group, such as the chest, back, legs, and arms, has specific functions and plays a vital role in daily movements. By targeting different muscle groups through exercises that focus on strength, endurance, and flexibility, individuals can achieve overall strength and balance. Working on all muscle groups helps prevent muscle imbalances, reduces the risk of injuries, and enhances athletic performance. Beginners can benefit from incorporating varied exercises to ensure a well-rounded fitness regimen. In conclusion, it is crucial to recap the key points about muscle anatomy and function to reinforce understanding. Encouraging beginners to delve deeper into learning about their muscles can help them tailor their fitness journey for optimal results. Incorporating muscle knowledge into fitness routines empowers individuals to make informed choices about exercises, rest periods, and nutrition. By acknowledging the importance of muscle awareness, beginners can progress effectively in their fitness goals and maintain a well-rounded approach to physical well-being.